bit. I got the Team Corally Kagama. This ain't my first run, but I want to test her out today because I got a comparison video I did with the Typhon. I mean the Creighton RTR 6S, and this is like my second test day because the first run didn't work out too well, so I adjusted the shots. I put 1 mil in the center. I want to see how she hold out, and I had to adjust the shots. Right now I'm just running on 4S. I'm doing a 4S test. And the 4S test just failed, but the battery just died on me. I got switched out now. Damn. Yeah, I don't know what I hit to make it do all that. Make it do all that, flipping all crazy. Whoa. Alright, she got nice handling. Got nice handling. I got it down now. I dropped it down lower. I got it dropped lower so it can handle turns better because they had it a little high. Yo, this thing is a beast. Servo saver need to be tightened up a little bit, but that's fine. Other than that, like I messed with the suspension, it's a little better now. A little bit better. Creighton. Creighton. I gotta practice saying it. And what I'm gonna do here, right? Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Handle turns like that because I know my Creighton can. Creighton. They need a woolly bar. had problems with the tires. I was trying to tell somebody that the tires could be improved, but it don't ride that messed up this time. I got a few Corally vehicles, and the tires, I had them on there for years. These tires do hold up. Only thing I ever did to these tires, they don't wear down. You'll bust them before you wear them down. You definitely a bust before you wear them. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting this out for a quick rip. I think she's ready for the crate man. I got a part 1, but I'm gonna do a part 2. I'm gonna do a part 2 also. Handling is pretty good on here too. Just that servo saver. You just the servo saver, you'll be cool. Ooh. Yeah, purchased this at RC Discount Superstore. Big shout out to Adam, Mark, and Hector. Adam gave me a nice deal on this. Yeah, I got that 4S in there now. Yeah, it's definitely, you can tell 4S. I gotta turn up, I'm not gonna turn up the though. But yeah, he gave me an awesome deal on this. As always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.